Hello friends and welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. Today we will learn how to use Passkeys in Microsoft Authenticator. So first of all, make sure you have this application installed. Its name is Microsoft Authenticator. Open it. Click on Sign in with Microsoft. Now you need to enter the details of your Outlook account. Once you have added the account, it will ask for you to send a verification code on your email. Once it is completed, click on Go to Settings and you can turn all the notifications for this app. So once you are done doing this, go back again and click on Done. Now what you need to do is you need to hit on plus again and you need to connect your personal account. Click on Scan a QR. Once you click on Scan QR, you will go to your Microsoft account on laptop and scan the QR code. And in this way you will be able to use it. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you like it, please like and subscribe to our channel.